that the staff is not performing and it should not be.
It's a question of all the municipalities, not only Mapusa. All municipalities there are grievances staff. Well, I don't also deny entire 100%. There may be few staff who may not be. It's always in all the organizations, not only in municipality, even government departments, everything happens. Everybody, ultimately the blame comes on this. But there are people who are working also. The municipality would have not been clean. All these roads would have not been clean. So it cannot be blanket. Okay, I can understand. 10% may not be working. There may be some other difficulty. And there are some rules which has to be amended. Otherwise, you cannot take the power.
Can they implement the 1,000 medical allowance?
They said around 20 days. The next council meeting has said. I had asked, requested the government that then urban development that Director of Municipal Administration should have powers to revive the post in municipality. Ultimately, municipality belongs to the local self body. You know, it is Director of Municipal Administration should be the authority, not the personal department. I don't know why they are not still implementing it. At least this should be the demand from all the councils and all the chairpersons and chief officers.
कितके असतले altogether approximately post across Goa lab झाले posts
After municipalities, all income hundreds. I can't tell you exactly.
Mapusa is only 48.
Mapusa, but all together. Some municipalities just fill it.
मीटिंग झाली आमची युनियनचे केशव प्रभू आणि बाकीचे मेंबर येयले बेसिकली आमी डिस्कस केल्ले खंय कितें करूंक जाय आमची फंक्शनींग खंय इम्प्रूव करूंक जाय आनी तेजे कितें कितें डिमांड जाल्ले मातशें आयकून घेतलें पळय आतां फुडें खंय कितें करूंक जाय